shepherd cares. Give all your worries to him because he cares for you.
The owls.
Because he likes the woods.
Owls.
What does an
Owl.
owl say, Quinn?
Hoot, hoot.
That's right. Hoot, hoot.
Say poop.
Poop.
He says bah. Is that what the lamb says?
Silly.
It says bah poop. I think that's Greek.
Mom, eat poop.
Oh no, that's marshmallow. That's marshmallow. Look, the duck says.
This children's story.
The duck says duck
Take your
poop,
turn.
and the lamb says bah poop, and the rabbit says bouncy poop.
Uncle Chad.
All right, let's read this one.
You do that page.
This page.
Let's get back to the Jesus part.
Stop getting sermonic on us. I give God all my worries. He takes away my fear.
What will him say?
Him say, I am a duck, and I'm scared by the fire, but the Lord carries my every desire. May I not get
What will
burned
him say?
or thrown. Him say, I'm a rabbit, and marshmallows are the best. Sitting around in a fire in the woods is like a big old fest.
You should write children's books.
And the lamb says, bah, poop. Black. The lamb says, I'm sitting here, and I feel so white, and hang around the fire night by night. But every morning, when I wake up and come back, I want to be like the man who's black. Alright, I ask and he protects me. My dreams are gently blessed. I know he loves me very much because he cares the best. Dear God, thank you for taking care of me all through the night. See, that's what he's doing. Taking care of the lamb,
No.
and the rabbit, and the
No.
duck, and you.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.